What's on your mind today?
It's like I don't even exist anymore.
Can you expand on that?
I used to be important. Everyone wanted dashboards, analytics, insights.
And has that changed?
We don't need analytics anymore. We can just chat with the AI bot.
That sounds frustrating.
Yeah, it's frustrating. My team built the entire analytics and data foundation of our company. They think that AI-driven BI is just putting a chatbot on top of my dashboards. People want to talk to the data. Have you ever seen a CEO chat with a dashboard?
Why are sales down?
I don't know, Bob. Maybe it's because you didn't actually read the report I made for you.
It sounds to me like you need a place where analytics is still valued. Have you heard of the Data Innovation Summit?
Huh, yeah, another AI conference, I bet.
No, this one has analytics at its center. They even have sessions on AI-driven BI.
People still talk about analytics?
Like it actually matters.
Wah! Can I bring a friend?